Today, we explore physical teasing, a science-backed way to improve intimacy through understanding female pleasure.
This isn't about words or tricks, but how slow physical buildup affects the female body. Most men rush intimacy, missing the biological need women have for gradual arousal.
Rushing straight to penetration reduces pleasure, comfort, and emotional connection for most women. Female arousal involves blood flow, nerve sensitivity, and mental anticipation working together. Anticipation activates the brain, the most powerful organ involved in female pleasure.
Erotic literature emphasizes buildup because teasing stimulated emotional and physical desire.
Effective teasing follows a rhythm. Offer pleasure briefly, then gently withdraw. Pauses increase sensitivity by allowing desire to build rather than releasing it immediately.
Slow, varied touch signals safety and confidence, helping women relax and respond physically.
Withdrawing touch briefly makes the nervous system crave renewed sensation. Communication about comfort and preferences improves teasing effectiveness and emotional safety.
Slowing physical pace allows the body to adjust and heightens overall sensation. Controlled pacing communicates confidence and leadership, qualities many women find deeply attractive.
Confidence isn't speed or force, but patience, awareness, and emotional presence. Increasing intensity slowly respects the body's natural arousal progression.
Returning to teasing after intensity deepens desire and prolongs pleasure.
Teasing works because it balances stimulation with restraint. This balance creates anticipation, comfort, and emotional connection simultaneously. Great lovers focus on timing, not performance or stamina. Practicing slow buildup transforms intimacy into a shared, satisfying experience. Master physical teasing, and intimacy becomes deeper, safer, and far more fulfilling.